Hey guys, so I had received a letter today, and this is the only one I have, so I'll probably record more clips and then shove them all together so it's not a really short video. And so I received a letter from one of my newer pen pals from Instagram, and it's just like this. And so now let's just open it. It's so cute. I love the little note. Open with a smile. Yeah, that's it. Okay. So, this is just like decorative paper, probably origami paper. And it's so cute. I'll probably try and make something with that. If not, then I'll try and incorporate it into my journal. And then there's some questions. And okay, quick little viewing, but her handwriting is so pretty. And so, yeah, here are her questions. They're like basic questions. And then here are the extras. She sent me two of my biases, well, one half of my top biases from BTS. This is Yoongi, and then Miss Lisa. I just want to say I'm in love with this picture. I think it was either my home or my lock screen for maybe 2 months before she dropped like another picture that I absolutely loved. And so now I have it physically. I dropped it. And then here is the washi tape she sent. She sent it on a clothes tag. It seems like a tag that you get after you buy something. It's really cute too. And then all the tape that she sent is so nice. So like, thanks for that if you're watching. But yeah, this is such cute tape, and her letter is so cute. From what I quickly read when I was showing her letter, she said that it was her first pen pal letter, and I'm actually so excited, and like, yeah, I'm excited, yeah, anxious to know that I'm her first pen pal, because I'm kind of a shitty pen pal. But yeah, so I'll try and get back when I get more mail, so look out for that clip. Hey guys, so I'm back with another clip. This time it's a trade from one of my friends, Destiny. And I'm holding the camera because I know that it's not going to take me too long to go through it, and I honestly forgot what I traded to get, so it'll be like a nice little surprise for both of us. The envelope isn't decorated, so there's no point in me checking it out. Oh, okay, I remember now. So I have this photo card. And then I have this official from EXO. And that's basically it for these. I'll be back with another clip. Hi guys, so I'm back with another letter, and I actually haven't gotten a letter in such a long time. So this makes me really happy. I don't think anyone understands how happy I am. So this one's from Kale, and again, I'm pretty sure I've done an unboxing from one of her letters before, and look how like pretty she decorates the letters. I literally love how she decorates these letters. And look at my name, like I can never do this, but like, kudos to Kale. Also, before
she sent me so much crap, and I'm actually really mad at her for that. So, and literally just by like feeling how thick the letter is, I already know she sent me so much stuff. I'm so really mad, and I'm gonna cry already. Okay, I'm going to read this really fast, and then I'll be back. Okay, so I found out that my video cut off when, like, right after I read the letter, and I actually talked about so much, basically how I'm going to fight Kale. And so I'll just like quickly go back through everything. And then I have terrible memory, so I'm trying to remember what I said. I basically just was like gushing about how I literally love these, and I'm definitely gonna have to ask her where she got them. And then these are literally so cute. I absolutely adore like character stationery. And then I remember Kale previously gave me one of these, and now I have another one to use since I used this in one of my spreads. And so now I'm just happy to have another one. And then the stickers she got me. She always has really nice stickers, and some of them have like great sayings on it, like go the extra mile, it's never crowded, if it focuses. Excuse my cold. And then she has very nice calligraphy stickers. And I was talking about how I really like circle stickers. And then honestly, her calligraphy stickers that she gives me are probably some of my favorites, because they're just so nice. Like, I wish I could have them. And then these are sticky notes. This one has little succulents on it, and this one's just like a round sticky note. And then her washi tape is literally so lovely. And then she has these like mason jar tags, and they're so cute. I still have the washi tape that she gave me from her last set, and they were like purple ones. And I was just admiring the mason jar tags that she used. And then here's like for the bigger stuff. She gave me Monster X photo stickers, and these ones are group stickers. Last time she gave me individual stickers. And then she gave me a bunch of postcards, and they're literally so cute. Like, I'm just gonna ask her like where she gets all of her stuff, basically, because I just love everything. I feel like I can never find anything. But yeah, everything is just so nice. And I'm gonna have to like step up my game when writing her letter, because I feel like I never give her enough stuff. Even though I know pen paling is not about the things, it's about like the people you're talking to. But I just feel so bad, because she does like, she's great. I love her. That's it. Anyway, yeah, thanks for watching. I'll write her letter, and you guys will most likely see a pen pal with me, and you could see how flustered I get when picking out things. See you soon.